Is winter camping really just about surviving the freeze? Not anymore. Today, we're revealing 7 next-level winter camping gear and gadgets that turn icy expeditions into luxury retreats. We've sourced the most innovative outdoor tech for 2026, including heated apparel, smart insulated pads, and powerful off-grid energy solutions. Whether you're an experienced climber or a winter camping beginner, these must-have upgrades will keep you warm, safe, and prepared. Let's get started. Just because you're camping doesn't mean you have to sacrifice comfort. The Kodiak Canvas Cabin Tent proves that outdoor adventures can feel solid, comfortable, and reliable in any season. Built with premium Hydra Shield 100% cotton duck canvas, a reinforced steel frame, and a spacious stand-up interior, this tent is designed to handle sun, rain, or snow with ease. It's ideal for family camping, hunting camps, and extended stays where durability and comfort truly matter. The Lvaiz Men's Winter Beanie is a warm, versatile skull cap designed for everyday winter wear. When cold winds hit, proper head protection becomes essential. This fleece-lined, wind-proof beanie helps block icy air while locking in heat. Featuring a reversible double-layer 2-in-1 design, it's suitable for both men and women. Whether you're indoors, commuting, playing sports, or spending time outdoors, this beanie delivers reliable warmth and all-day winter comfort.
Introducing the Toasty Traveler, PETZL Outfitters lightweight, hands-free camping blanket designed for adventurers on the go. Our Traveler features quick clasp snaps for easy attachment, allowing you to wear it like your favorite poncho, carry it around camp, or stay warm while roasting s'mores without the worry of it slipping off your shoulders. Crafted from ultra-soft tough OD ripstop nylon coated with a waterproof DWR shield, the Toasty Traveler is snag-free and water-repellent. The reinforced organic stitching pattern ensures the blanket not only looks great but also holds up to wear and tear whether you're on the trail or seeking extra warmth in the back of your RV. Weighing only 18 ounces, our blanket packs light but offers big warmth, rated down to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you desire coziness at home or toasty comfort on the go, the Toasty Traveler is the perfect blanket for you. PETZL Outfitters, the creators of the Toasty Traveler, are dedicated to providing high-quality outdoor gear at a reasonable price. The PETZL ACTIK Core Headlamp stands out as the perfect choice for extending your dynamic activities into the night. To install the batteries, simply rotate the lamp body 180 degrees and open the battery compartment. The hybrid concept design allows you to use the included core rechargeable battery or AAA batteries. Ensure correct installation by following the graphics guide, then securely close the battery compartment and rotate the lamp body back to its original position. With the batteries installed, you can easily turn on the lamp, cycle through 3 brightness levels, and switch between white and red light modes using a single button. 1 press activates the lowest brightness level, 2 presses for the middle level, and 3 presses for the brightest level. To turn off the headlamp, press the button once, after 5 seconds of being on, or cycle through all 3 levels. For red light mode, hold the button for a couple of seconds when the lamp is on. 1 press cycles between solid and strobe, and the lamp remains in red light mode even after turning it off until you switch it back to white light mode by holding the button again. The energy gauge keeps you informed about burn time: green light 100% to 50%, orange light 50% to 10%, and red light indicating reserve mode. To prevent accidental activation, hold the button for 4 seconds to lock the ACTIK core, unlock by holding for 4 seconds or quickly pressing 4 times. The full-tilt lamp body allows versatile use, traditionally on your head, hanging from your neck, suspended from above, or sitting on a solid surface. The included storage pouch transforms the headlamp into a diffused lantern. Easily adjust the headband while wearing it by sliding the buckles. 3. Therm-a-Rest Polar Ranger -20 degrees Fahrenheit -30 degrees Celsius Expedition Sleeping Bag. Introducing the Polar Ranger, an 800 fill-down sleeping bag meticulously crafted for extreme cold and severe conditions. A standout feature is the incorporation of 100% recycled nylon fabric, certified by the Global Recycle Standard and International Voluntary Certification, significantly reducing waste throughout the textile supply chain. The 20 denier nylon is not only softer but also more durable and lighter than its predecessor. The insulation boasts highly compressible Nikwax hydrophobic 800 fill down, perfected in our Seattle cold chamber for occupancy and weight balance crucial in extreme conditions. Box baffling construction eliminates cold spots, and the Nikwax hydrophobic down absorbs 90% less water, dries 3 times faster, and maintains loft 60 times longer than untreated down. The fill is Responsible Down Standard certified, ensuring humane treatment of waterfowl, and the Nix treatment is PF-free, minimizing environmental impact. The Polar Ranger features a YKK anti-snag zipper with a special slider designed to prevent fabric snags along the overstuffed draft tube. The redesigned hood includes a shorter, more structured snorkel for improved ventilation, featuring synthetic insulation to prevent moisture buildup. Magnetic closures on the snorkel prevent cross-drafts, making entry and exit easier. The draft collar cinch system has been enhanced for better heat retention, side vents offer customizable temperature control, and overlapping draft tubes prevent cold spots when zippers are closed. The signature Toasis foot warmer pocket keeps feet cozy, and an internal zip pocket provides easy access to essentials without exposing them to the cold. Removable Synergy Link connectors secure the bag to your pad, preventing roll-off and heat loss, while blanket attachment loops allow for a customizable sleep system. The Polar Ranger boasts a performance fit, a classic mummy bag shape with a slightly more generous cut for added versatility in layering. It comes complete with a storage bag and a compression stuff sack for convenient packing. Trust the Polar Ranger on your most extreme expeditions, knowing that your gear was designed with both performance and durability in mind. Introducing Moki, a robust expedition tent designed to seamlessly transition through all seasons, from extreme cold at the summit to milder conditions on the coast. Available in a 3-person model, Moki is an award-winning single-walled adventure basecamp tailored for extreme adventurers in search of the most epic and versatile setup. Constructed with Moki's 40D Osmo waterproof nylon ripstop fabric, it's not only breathable but supremely strong, providing reliable weather protection. The extra-large vestibule at the front offers ample storage space, shielding your gear from the elements. A clear vestibule window ensures visibility in adverse weather conditions, while 2 large doors facilitate easy entrance from both ends. To wait out a storm with companions, zip 2 MOA tents together by removing a lower portion of their vestibules, creating a spacious protective gear room in the breezeway. Multiple strut-supported vents and the ability to tie back doors and panels to convert nearly half of MOA's shell to mesh enhance superior airflow ventilation and temperature control. Convenient escape hatches allow for easy access on either side. Moki's incredibly strong overlapping external pole structure utilizes premium aluminum DC Featherlight NSL poles for absolute strength and stability in extreme winds. The completely external structure with color-coded pole sleeves enables an ultra-fast setup, saving time when a storm approaches. A generous number of pole clips and guppioled carabiners ensure tent integrity even in the harshest weather conditions. Shock earth stake points provide flexibility to distribute stress in the frame during high winds, preventing fly material tears. Multiple reinforced guideline options significantly increase stability when needed. With gear pockets for ample interior storage space and light pockets for turning your headlamp into a tent lantern through light diffusing fabric on dark nights, WAT is the ideal choice for adventurers seeking a bomber expedition shelter designed for extreme cold yet convertible for milder conditions. Like all Nemo products, your Moki comes with a lifetime warranty, ensuring it will endure years of adventures. Embark on your outdoor adventures in both style and warmth with the KastKing Men's Heated Jacket. Its innovative iWar heating system, featuring 3 temperature settings, ensures a consistently warm experience during chilly excursions. Prioritizing safety with overheating protection, the certified 10,000 mAh power bank provides up to 10 hours of heat, offering peace of mind throughout your journey. This stalwart jacket tackles the elements with a robust DWR treatment, a waterproof and breathable membrane, taped seams, and SDS waterproof zippers, ensuring you stay dry even in the rain. Crafted from durable Oxford fabric, reinforced for longevity, it includes graphene thermal fabric and polyester insulation for added warmth. Functionality seamlessly meets comfort with stretchy cuffs, an adjustable hem hood, and spacious pockets. Reflective logos enhance safety, and with its easy machine-washable design, the KastKing men's heated jacket becomes your trusted companion for outdoor activities, providing warmth, protection, and exceptional style.
So, that was our list of the 7 next-level gear and gadgets for winter camping. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel if you find it helpful.